Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horns are not working. On this vehicle they are located just here in the front, so as soon as you open the front hood you will see them. Now the first thing to check is the fuse. If the fuse is good, then you want to check the wiring here and the electrical connection, right? And the next step, if everything looks good, then you would focus on the horn switch and possible the airbag clock spring. But first things first, you want to check the fuse. This video should apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 to 2023. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse you need will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. To remove the cover, you just want to press two black tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top. Press them and lift up. On the back side you will have a small fuse diagram. And here access to all of the fuses and the release. And the fuse you want to check will be fuse number F86, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located down here. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.